Hope you are doing well. If you are stuck, if you are facing this issue, like when you are launch in Chrome browser, like that, and you are facing this issue with this error, then just go to your folder, then go to build, then Flutter asset folder. You should delete this folder. Shift delete, enter, then minimize, then just run this app. It will take time. Look, now your app is working on Chrome browser. Except so it's time to finish my video. If you helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and like the comment and like my channel ship and also share with everyone. Okay, bye bye.